disruptive, but I found a spot where I can show you their sign, and it's I don't know if it's Hana or Hana. I'm guessing Hana Sushi. And anyway, it's a little tiny place. I used to go to Star Therapy over there, so it's like right next door. We are located off Exit 8 on Vietnam Vets. If you guys live locally, you'll know where that is. And if you don't, well, we'll let you know if it's worth it anyway. Let's see how big the place is. Yeah. And they got a little entrance. Okay, so talk to me. What does everybody hurt on air conditioning wherever we go, or what?
Gosh.
Is everybody down? Because I know you handle plumbing and air conditioning. So you noticed as soon as you walked in that this is the second place we filmed today that has been brutal.
I couldn't work in my office with this temperature.
No. But
I need AC. I needed frosting on the windshield.
But this place is nice, huh?
No, this is really nice. I think we'll have good food here. They paid enough attention to aesthetics. I think the food will be good, and I'm excited. This is the first time, I guess, for both of us doing Hana, and we're going to ask you how to pronounce it. Is it pronounced Hana?
Hana, yeah, Hana Sushi.
Hana Sushi.
Awesome.
Got it.
All right. Okay, I'm way impressed on this menu. I've been glancing at it. I'm going to show you guys now. Look at the appetizer list. Octopus salad, seaweed salad. They got crab ragoons, pepper tuna, fried oysters, which we did get, so you get a chance to see what those look like. Stop the video if you need to look at anything. Sashimi is really exciting. Then you got sushi bar entrees. Prices are about right. And then you got your special rolls over here. Probably the most popular ones. And they got bowls and noodles. Dude, best part of that menu was there's no tape on the menu, huh?
Yeah, they probably did no seam tape. No, it was no tape on the menu. It was really nice. That's very involved menu. I like that. It's a really nice wide array of fish. When I saw octopus salad,
You got veered, dude. We're here for Sushi Wars.
I love it.
And you wanted to order half the menu. You're like, hey, let's try this, let's try that.
I like a good place that offers that much of a selection. Has to be.
That's a good sign.
Oh,
when
yeah.
you get excited to order something that's not sushi, that's exciting.
If I wasn't hungry, I became hungry.
Okay, what are these now?
These are fried oysters.
Fried oysters, huh?
Looking delicious
All
to
right.
me.
And what are the rolls we got? I forgot.
I got one with eel in it.
I got
This
a
is the one with eel in it. I can see the meat.
Right.
And yours was the Hana?
It was a Hana roll and a crunchy shrimp type roll.
Yeah, with eel in it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Nice presentation. Go ahead.
All right, guys.
Fried oysters. Here we go. I don't even know what the dip is. Probably a ginger type dip, like
Great.
the salad dressing.
That's what I love.
Hot. Wow. That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is heavenly and boiling hot.
Really?
Oh, yeah, this is fresh made.
Is that why you're not quickly taking another bite?
Oh, it's very hot. It dripped right down my finger. It is hot.
All right, well, set it down. Go ahead and set it down. Let it cool off.
Yeah.
And let's try one of these rolls.
Well, you know what I'm going to do.
Right?
Let's try
So you're
this.
not a chopstick guy, are you?
I'll destroy the food.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm going to have to hold it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's two of them. Oh, how nice. Nice and warm, too.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks delicious. So
It's decorated beautifully.
We're going to handle it with love.
All right.
Well, this is going to give Fuelings a run for their money.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Foolin's was really good.
This is really good. Really, really nice.
Wow. All right, try this other roll.
Let's take far from the corner.
Look at the tail right there.
I like
Sticking out, I dig on that. That is beautiful. Nice. I think that's the one I ordered.
Yeah,
And
you
ordered the Hana roll.
You want to see the inside? Look how nice packed that is. This is nice and warm. freshly put together.
Cool.
All
All
right,
right, here we go.
Here we go.
Tail and all, right?
Well, that's coming next.
You didn't eat the tail, dude.
It's coming, don't worry.
Okay, that's your next bite, right?
Yeah, this is nice, very tasty.
Fresh tasting?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Dip, 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 dip. And it's supposed to be burning hot.
Inside it is.
Mmm. These are real good. These are really good. Oysters. Well, no, no. What? What are they?
Fried oysters.
Oh, yeah. They are oysters. Got one of these. All right, here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is the first bite I've ever had of sushi where you could taste every ingredient. Normally it has one unique flavor. You could taste the avocado, you could taste the shrimp in there, you could taste everything. Impressive. Let me do this one real quick because I know you're waiting. Let's just grab one of these. Beautiful design. Mm. Mm-hmm. Are you serious? Might this be our new winner? I'm starting to feel it.
Well, this was a really nice time. Hana's Sushi. The aesthetics here goes back to Moby Dickie's. Proved true here. They took care of the place. It's fairly new, strip mall. The inside smelled nice. The air conditioning left something to be desired, but you could tell from the clientele it was good. It was nice hustle and bustle here. The food came out. We ordered 2 nice sushi rolls, and we had fried oysters. I love oysters. They did it a little different than other places, and it was nothing less than excellent. I would definitely come back. They have octopus salad. We're going to revisit this again. And this is part of our sushi wars. But I'm going to say, we have to rate cleanliness, service, presentation, and the best of all, taste. Well, let me tell you, 4 out of 5, or 3 out of 4, Fuelin's is still the king. It was much bigger sushi roll, much more fresh, and it was much more moist. That doesn't mean at all that this wasn't. This is nothing less than totally delicious. But they were over the top, so Fuelin's is still reigning champ.
Okay, you know, Charles pretty much said it all, but I'm going to tell you, the seafood is spot on. The blended flavors, I usually don't taste everything individually. I did here. This was amazing. I would give this 5 stars if I was rating it. I would never have a problem bringing anybody to this place. But I can't give it the crown. The only reason is Fuelin's was like bigger in size. It was like almost equivalent, but you got more at the other place. You got larger rolls, it was a better presentation, so they got the edge. But does not mean stay away from this place. Please show love to this place. It's, what is it, Hana's, right? Yeah, it's Hana's Sushi, and it's right by the Star Therapy. I think we're either in Hendersonville or Gallatin. We're still in Hendersonville, right? Yeah, we're still in Hendersonville. Check it out. Beautiful strip mall. Oh, look, there's no potholes. Look at this gorgeous parking lot.
Look at that.
I love it. I love it. So you're in a nice place, not like the last place where we kind of, dealt with the rats and everything outside, but it's all good. So check out this place, and we will see you on the next episode. Love you.